When deciding between trading futures and Forex, I've found that each has its unique appeal and is suited for different trading styles. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Personally, I appreciate the structure and transparency that futures markets offer. Futures are traded on regulated exchanges like the CME or ICE, which provides a sense of security and clarity. This centralized nature means the rules are set, the contracts are standardized, and everything is quite transparent. I also find the fixed contract sizes and expiration dates in futures to be helpful for managing risk and liquidity. On the other hand, Forex trading is an enticing option for its flexibility and round-the-clock nature. The Forex market never sleeps, open 24 hours a day during the week, which means I can trade at almost any time that suits me. This flexibility is great, but it also means I need to stay alert to manage trades effectively around the clock. Forex trading offers higher leverage, which can amplify profits but also increases risk. It's a high-stakes game where a small move can lead to significant gains or losses. Cost-wise, I've found that trading futures involves exchange fees and commissions, but these are predictable and transparent. In contrast, Forex trading usually involves spreads, the difference between the bid and ask prices, which can vary and affect trading costs. Understanding these costs helps me manage my trading budget better. Another key consideration for me is the purpose of my trades. Futures are often used for hedging, which is useful for businesses or investors looking to lock in prices. As someone who enjoys speculating on price movements, Forex trading focuses on currency pairs and is driven by a range of economic and geopolitical factors. This adds an extra layer of excitement and unpredictability to the mix. Ultimately, whether I'm drawn to the structured environment of futures or the dynamic nature of Forex trading, each offers unique advantages. It's about finding what aligns best with my trading style, risk tolerance, and market preferences. Each approach has its own set of tools and strategies that can make trading a compelling and rewarding experience. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.